Hi, this is Sam with Redwood Systems, and today I'm going to be going over the voicemail functionality of the Polycom VVX series phones. So every administrative phone on the phone system does typically have a default voicemail functionality and default voicemail greetings when a phone call goes unanswered after a certain number of rings. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works by calling the extension here on the right. So I'm going to dial 4504, and this will ring for a certain number of rings, and or actually a certain number of seconds in delay before it should cover to voicemail. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So again, still ringing.
The person at extension 4504 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
This is a test voicemail for extension 4504, number 1. Okay, so you'll now notice that the phone here has a blinking red message indicator, and you heard a audible notification tone to also let you know that you have the message as soon as it happened. And you'll also notice that the line indicators here on the upper left of the screen are now no longer green check mark with a handset symbol, but they are now envelopes to obviously let you know that you have a message. So to check voicemail, all we have to do is hit the voicemail key, which is the envelope key right here.
You have one new message. Press 1 for new messages.
So we'll do 1.
First message received at 5:21 p.m.
This is a test voicemail for extension 4504, number 1.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to delete this message.
7 is what most of the time you're going to obviously be doing with messages.
To another user. Or 9 to save this message.
If it's an important message, you may be doing 9.
Or which folder should I save this message to? Press 0 for new messages.
Normally you're going to be doing old
1
messages.
for old messages.
So 1.
Message 1. Save to old messages. Press 3 for advanced options.
Okay, so now that I hang up, my message waiting light now has cleared. Now that I no longer have the envelope symbol, I took that message and actually saved it. Okay, so let me go ahead and talk about the fact that we now have a default greeting. Normally, if you expect people to leave you voicemails, you will certainly need to customize your greeting and, at the very minimum, the name of your mailbox so that people can hear that it is not a default voicemail and are much more likely, of course, to leave you voicemails when you do that. So let me go ahead and show you how you do that. So again, hit the voicemail button.
One old message.
We're actually going to go in and modify this. So we're going to hit 0.
Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name.
3 is your name.
Press 4 to record after the tone. Say your name and then press the pound key.
Catering department.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Press 2 to listen. Your message has been saved. Press 1 to record your unavailable message.
So now we're going to need to do our greeting.
Press 2 to record your busy message. Press
very
3
minimum
to
we need to
record
do
your
our
name.
unavailable.
Press
So we're going to go
4
and do
to record
1.
your after the tone. Say your unavailable message and then press the pound key.
Hi, you've reached the spare catering desk at the Drake Hotel, Chicago. Please leave a message and I'll return your call as soon as possible.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Your message has been saved. Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message.
So your busy message is
Press
important
3
for
to
another
record your
reason.
name.
So we're going to go and do this again.
Press 4 to record your after the tone, say your busy message and then press the pound key.
Hi, you've reached the spare catering desk at the Drake Hotel. I'm currently on the phone, but I will return your call as soon as possible. Please leave a message after the tone. Thanks.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this. Your message has been saved. Press 1 to record your unavailable.
Okay, so we've now set up our greeting, our unavailable greeting and our busy greeting, and we've actually also, most importantly, recorded our name, the voicemail box name, which again is typically your first and last name, but it could also be the title of your department. So let's see how that looks now when we call this extension again from here. Okay, so we could wait to listen to this to ring multiple times, but we're going to actually speed this up a little bit by showing that you can actually hit the reject button to make a call go straight to voicemail.
Hi, you've reached the spare catering desk at the Drake Hotel. I'm currently on the phone, but I will return your call as soon as possible. Please leave a message after the tone. Thanks.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Test voicemail number 2 for extension 4504. Okay, so now we've left a voicemail here. And we're going to go in and delete it this time instead of trying to save it. So we'll go ahead and hit the voicemail button again here.
You have 1 new and 1 old message. Press 1 for first message received at 5:20. No more messages. Press 1 for new first message received.
Unfortunately, 6 is how you skip, but you cannot skip to your first message.
5 p.m.
Test voicemail number 2 for extension 4504.
Press 3 for advanced
So I'm
options.
going to go ahead and delete this
Press
message.
5 to message deleted. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to undelete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another
So these
user.
are your options, of course.
Or 9 to save this message. Press star for help or pound to exit.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go back in again. So we still have an old message. You probably heard that just now. Let's go in again and so you can hear this now.
You have 1 old message. Press 1 for old messages. First message received.
This is the first
at
voicemail I left.
5:21 p.m.
This is a test voicemail for extension 4504, number 1.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to delete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another
So
user.
if this was an
Or
important
9
message
to
that
save
one of
this
my
message.
colleagues would
Press
want to listen
star
to,
for
I
help
can hit
or
8
pound
to
to
give this
exit.
message to someone else.
Extension.
Switch room.
Press 1 to prepend the message, or 2 to forward the message without prepending. Press your message has been saved.
So right there what I
Press
did
3
is
for
I
advanced
forwarded that voicemail to another user. So I sent it over here to extension 4699 on the left. So we're going to go into this mailbox now and see if that message is here.
You have 1 new message. Press 1 for new first message received at 5:21 p.m.
This is a test voicemail for extension 4504, number 1.
Press 3 for advanced message deleted.
So I went ahead and deleted
Press
that
3
there.
for advanced option.
Okay, so this covers the basic voicemail functionality of the Polycom VVX phones. I hope you found this informative. Thank you.